Hey everyone, this is Josh with another TypeLink tour video. Today we're going to be looking at the concept of using TypeLink to store your web bookmarks. Since TypeLink is available from any web browser, on any desktop, laptop, iPad, iPhone, or other mobile device, it's a great way to share your web links around. But there are some tips and tricks you can use in TypeLink to make your experience even better. So to begin with, let's create a bookmarks page, since it's nice to keep that all in one place. A lot of times you want to keep your bookmarks in general public because you want to share them with other people. So we're going to make the page public. That doesn't mean all the subpages need to be public, and I'm going to be walking you through how that works to show how you can intermix public and private content but still be confident about it. So let's create the bookmarks page here. And let's say the two things we want to start up here is social for our social networking needs and shopping for all of our e-commerce. First of all, let's create the social page. Of course, the whole point of social networking is that information is publicly visible, so why not make this page publicly visible as well? So on this page here, let's create links. Again, all we have to do to create a link is to type in the address to it, but then of course you can label it as well. So say we want a link to Twitter, news, IM for instant messaging, Meebo is great, mail, and why not add a little extra detail here under Twitter is my accounts. And of course here we're just typing in the Twitter usernames, not a full web address. But when we save the page, you'll notice these link, if you'll look down here in the bottom right at the address, this is going to link to twitter.com/joshjustice. And this is going to link to twitter.com/onlyplastic. Wait a second, is that my address or is it jjustice? Yeah, that's somebody else. I wasn't even thinking. Good thing I could check that. jjustice. Alright, so here's my social links. And again, you'll notice that all the links to public websites like this are listed as blue because they're outside of TypeLink and they're not covered by TypeLink's permissions. You can see by looking at the title of the page here, social, it's blue and it has a globe next to it showing you that this page is public. Now let's see here. Let's go back to shopping. This page we want to keep private. Let's say that maybe we have some Christmas present secrets on here. So we're going to leave publicly visible unchecked and create this page. And now let's do something different. Like let's say that we have some different categories underneath shopping. But let's say we don't actually want to have separate pages for it because there's only a few links each. And so we want to represent that information just on one page. So you can just use TypeLink's flexibility to create a couple different sections. Places you can shop for everything and places you can only shop for electronics. In this case, I want to put the web address first because I don't really care. The web address is the site name. But maybe I'll add a little note. Free shipping over $25. Target.com. Why would I shop not at Amazon? Well, it has in-store pickup. So again, already here, the flexibility of TypeLink has allowed us to add little notes here to remind us why we might choose one over the other, or for our friends if we were to make this page public someday. Say for electronic, we have fries.com, usually better prices, but bestbuy.com, sorry guys, but you do have in-store pickup as well. So now again, we have a page here. It would have been overkill to create a page just for everything, just to show these two links. So instead, we've organized it in a different way on the shopping page. And again, you can see that the links to Amazon and Target are public, of course. Anybody can go there. But this page title shows up in green. And the publicly visible section on the right does not show up here. So that means this page, typelink.net/sample3/shopping, is not going to be available for other people on the web that are going to try to get there if they wanted to. And so let me show you what this looks like, just so you can get a comfort level that your private information isn't going to be shared inappropriately. So if you were to log out here, let's first go back to the bookmarks page. Let's go in here and copy the address of it, and now let's log out. So what if I was to go back to this bookmarks page? So now you can see on here, social is a link, and the text shopping shows up, but it doesn't show up as a link. And so TypeLink doesn't want to change the content that shows up on your page, so it's not going to make the decision to hide text for you entirely. But because there's no publicly visible shopping page, shopping is not turned into a link. So if you were concerned and didn't want people at large to even see this text, you might want to organize your pages in a different way. But as it is, people can easily go to the social page and they'll see that they can't go to the shopping page. Now what if somebody was smart and tried to just type in shopping up here? Well, they're going to be sent to the login page because they don't have permissions. TypeLink is going to prevent them from getting to that page, and they'll be forced to log in before they could see that page. And of course, not every TypeLink user can see that page, only you. So that shows you some of the ways you can store your bookmarks in TypeLink. Again, these will be available on all your devices, so it's an easy way to organize your information. And of course, just because we've shown a bookmark section here doesn't mean you have to put all of your web links in the bookmark section. As we showed in the previous video, you can intermix typed up notes, email addresses, web links, phone numbers, Twitter handles, any information you want to on your pages. Just whatever works best for you to organize your information. TypeLink is there to help you do it. Hope this was a helpful video. Go to typelink.net for more videos with more ideas for how to use TypeLink, or to sign up for free for our web app and iPhone and iPad apps. Thanks.